Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Are all the chieftain sons of Lord Krishna, such as Sushan, Charudish, Sham, the son of Jamvati, and Rishab, along with their sons, all doing well? As already mentioned, Lord Krishna married 16,108 wives, and each of them had 10 sons. Therefore 16,108 into 10 1,61,080 sons. They all grew up, and each of them had as many sons as their father, and the whole aggregate was something near 16,10,800 family members of the Lord. The Lord is the Father of all living beings, who are countless in number. Therefore only a few of them are called to associate with the Lord in his transcendental pastimes as the Lord of Dvarka on this earth. It is not astonishing that the Lord maintained a visible family consisting of so many members. It is better to refrain from comparing the Lord's position to ours, and it becomes a simple truth as soon as we understand at least a partial calculation of the Lord's transcendental position. King Yudhiṣṭhir, while inquiring about the Lord's sons and grandsons at Dvarka, mentioned only the chieftains amongst them, for it was impossible for him to remember all the names of the Lord's family members.